Sir, move your feet.
Here, put these in your ears. It's gonna get loud.
What do you mean?
Look, don't get mad at me, but do you remember when Nick said that he could see signs before something bad was gonna happen? Well, now I think I'm seeing them.
Lori, it's over. Nothing is gonna happen. Now, can we please watch the movie?
Kidding me?
Everybody off this bridge! It's gonna blow! Move it now!
Lori! Lori! Lori!
Shut up, man! Bye-bye, suckers!
Dixieland. Something's wrong.
Yeah, no kidding. The person next to me won't shut up.
No, I'm serious. Something's wrong. Things are happening, just like at the track.
Lori, you in here?
Nick!
It's not over.
What?
George is dead.
Janet, come on, we have to leave right now.
No. No, I can't keep doing this, okay? You're both nuts.
Janet, we gotta go. Come on.
No! Don't you see? This is where I was supposed to be in the first place, not that stupid race. Wait, I was meant to see this movie.
Bye-bye, suckers!
Lori, come on!
Find your way to the exit, move to the exit, remain calm, everything's gonna be okay.